In today's video, we are checking out VidIQ, a must-have plugin for all the content creators. Let's see how this plugin can give us insight and help us grow our YouTube channel. Hey, what's up? My name is Shivam, and before getting to the video, if at any point you would like to check out VidIQ, you can check out the discount link in the description below. First of all, I'll be honest with you, I want to say that these plugins are highly effective and work well to skyrocket a channel. However, you also need other ingredients as well to be successful, and that is consistency and patience. If you combine all these things, nobody will be able to stop you. So VidIQ have a lot of features, and it would be an hour-long video if we cover all of them. So in this video, I will be only covering the key features that are most helpful. So let's begin. First is the keyword research tool, which is the main reason why I use VidIQ. It's incredibly helpful for finding content ideas and keyword opportunities. To access the tool, install the VidIQ extension and sign in with your VidIQ account. They also offer a free plan, so you can use that. After you are done, go to youtube.com and you will see all these new shortcuts on the left side. And from here you can select keyword inspector. Just type in a keyword idea and VidIQ will show us the monthly volume and the competition for that term, as well as matching terms and variations and related keywords for that alternative video ideas. You can then click on each keyword to drill down even deeper. This feature allows to find hundreds of video ideas and determine if people are actually searching for the keyword I'm considering using. You can also go to VidIQ dashboard and do all these things from there. For the free plan, you will only see 3 keywords. To access more than that, you need a pro plan. We will talk about pricing in a bit. For now, let's talk about the next feature. Next is the daily ideas and recommendations feature. So this feature uses AI and suggests new video based on your channel size and what's working well for your channel. This feature keeps on evolving as the algorithms start to make better recommendations based on your feedback. Again, this tool could be accessed from the left hand side on the YouTube homepage, and you can search for the keyword that you want to create ideas for. And VidIQ will suggest some ideas along with the views prediction. As you can see, we have these 3 video ideas. If you liked an idea, you want to save it, just give it a like. And if you didn't, then tap on the cross icon. The free plan gives you 3 daily ideas, and you can upgrade to the pro plan if you want more. Third is the view per hour feature, which is really helpful for checking out competitors' channels and seeing what content is performing well on the platform. If a video is getting more than 1 view per hour, it will show next to the video. You can also filter the top trending videos for the channel using the trending tab. This can help us identify videos that are still getting thousands of views per hour after years, which is definitely a topic that I want to cover on my channel. So we can use this data to make our content strategy and work our channel better. Fourth is the search panel, which allows us to see the top performing videos for the specific keyword or search term. It gives a lot of data that could be helpful when researching for your next video. As you can see, it shows the highest views, average age. With this data, you can see that videos of this search term gives this much average views. So if you want to target evergreen content, then this could be really helpful. But make sure you are doing this in incognito mode so your search results are not affected by cookies. Fifth is the tag explorer, which helps you find new tags to use in your own videos. To do so, just go to tags of the video and start typing. As soon as you start typing, VidIQ will suggest you tags and the search terms that people are searching. You can also click this little icon next to the tag and you will see related keywords to that. Also, you will see a top trending videos on that tag if you are on the paid plan. But this is a great way to discover new tags to use in your videos. The sixth feature with the VidIQ is the channel audit, which is a key feature of the VidIQ. When you go to YouTube and select channel audit from the left hand side, VidIQ will give us complete breakdown of our channel's performance, including your channel's strengths and weaknesses, as well as tips on improving your channel's overall performance. As you can see, we have all these stats showing our growth month to month. Then we have content that we should try to double down, as these videos are getting good amount of views per hour. We can also see the engagement rate of our latest videos, subscribers gained from the videos, and our competitors' videos performance. There's a lot of data to analyze and it's not that difficult to understand. However, once you do that, you will be able to put your channel on the track. Have a look at this. We can see our top retention videos. So these types of videos are liked by our viewers and people are staying on the video. So these are prime videos that we should definitely double down on this type of content. Below that, we also see the poor performing videos, so we should learn from these videos. So if you use this data carefully the right way, you can easily get successful on the platform. Next feature we will talk about allows us to get the insight into our competitors' channels. You will notice this button on the channel that is add as a competitor. Once you click on that, you will be able to track his channel, like which videos are trending, how many views and subscribers they are getting. You can also compare your competitors' data next to your channel. You can see how much they and you are gaining subscribers daily views and much more. Though you shouldn't take your morale down, instead you should try to get inspiration and try to focus on your own channel. Trending is another great feature for those who want to target trending topics, and you should definitely leverage your content with trending topics, as those videos tend to get higher views, a lot of views, if you are able to time the trend. You can add keywords that you want to generate a trend report about, then VidIQ will show you all the videos that are trending related to those keywords. You can also set to receive email reports for trending videos as well. So those were all the key features. Now let's talk about the price of VidIQ. They have 4 plans: Free, Pro, Boost and Max, and that is priced at free $7.5 per month, $39 and $79 per month respectively. With the free plan there are a lot of features available, but with the Pro plan and Boost plan, lots of useful features are unlocked, like we get 50 daily video ideas, a keyword engine, a keyword research tool, SEO title and description recommendation, top trending videos and much more. So if you want to try VidIQ, you can definitely do so, and completely free from the description, and I will try to add the discount links for that as well, so you might end up saving some money. So make sure you check out the link in the description, and there are even more features in the VidIQ that would be impossible for me to cover in this small video. Anyways, if you did enjoy this video, please let me know in the comments below which feature was your favorite. That's it for today. Like, share, subscribe, stay safe, bye bye.